Good morning, everyone. Are you one? Because I am the one and only Freiza Zafra.
And I'm too good to be true, Samantha Opaño. From 11 SHS to 520. Back again for another scientific chika with our guest, Miss Trixie Valdez. Okay. Excited ka naman po ba sa podcast at magbumukbang tayo, ate?
Oo nga, parang anong vlogger?
Yes! Ivana Alawi.
Are you ready to eat chat science? Kasi kami, ready na!
Actually, kasi yung displacement of communities, it's already happening. No? It's just that we lack the addressing of its topics happens in school, even to communities. And how can it affect us? Well, the Philippines, kasi we all know it's a third world country, and we're not provided with resources na makakabangon agad tayo in terms of work and food security as well. So when we are affected by climate change, we are forced to rely on survival rather than comfort and security. So it really bounces back to also to the policymakers and how we are always labeled as resilient, but we're never really provided with solutions.
Aww.
Okay, ang ganda naman yung angel na dati niya, ate.
Parang Miss Universe na.
So, muna tayo.
Ate,
Yes,
go.
baka kung nagutom for every question, isang mukbang.
Yes, so mukbang muna tayo, tapos casual. Yes.
Coral reefs kasi, it's like houses for the fishes and the marine life. Para rin tayo yan. We all need security and comfort in our own homes. And coral reef, it's like underwater cities for the marine life. And when these get destroyed, syempre, they're also forced to look for other places in the sea na makakahanap sila ng food, makakahanap sila ng similar species nila. And when these are affected, biodiversity, of course, affected din siya. And as time passes by, when less biodiversity exists, syempre less na rin yung genetic diversion. And when fewer biodiversity exists in the marine life, the people and the families that relies in the coastal areas, sobrang affected nila kasi yung livelihood nila nakarely din sa ocean, syempre. So, less fishes in the sea, less protein in the Filipino family.
Yes.
Okay, grabe.
Grabe.
Deserve na talagang kumagat ni Ate Trixie.
Go ate, go lang.
Go!
Kasi 'di ba, yung Philippine po kasi is Pacific Ring of Fire. So madalas may typhoon dito, mayroon ding mga like mountains explode and a plant ecosystem in the Philippines.
It has been a joke, no, about Sierra Madre.
Yeah.
Ako ang inang Sierra Madre at proprotektahan ko ang
Friendly ng Sierra Madre. But what we fail to make Filipinos realize is that it's a more serious matter than what we actually joke about.
Yeah.
Kasi without Sierra Madre, what are we? Alam mo yun, parang these strong typhoons, para rin tayo na-exhaust ang environment natin. And these mountain ranges, hindi naman forever silang nandyan. Hindi kaya ng mountain ranges natin na forever mapoprotect sa atin. Especially when we don't take care of them.
Yeah.
So, yung mga strong typhoons na yan, they weaken these mountain ranges and grasslands that we have.
Parang ako si Sierra Madre.
bansa sa kung anumang
Alagaan mo. Okay, sige, kagat na muna tayo kasi kagas. Okay, sabay-sabay na kagat, okay? Wow, di siya. Wait, parang sabay-sabay tayo, sister.
Mukhang ko siya.
Hindi, matamis. Yeah, okay, one, sabay tayo. Okay, wait. Ano na muna ito? Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow, endorsement!
So, Ate, speaking of strong typhoons,
Actually, na-encounter ko yung mangroves and benefits niya with Chelsea Fernandez.
Oh,
Costco.
yes,
Oh, yes.
Mangroves are more than trees. They're natural shields.
Na-encounter ko siya doon, and when I researched about it, sabi ko, okay, may ganun palang existing na natural sponge, you know, para siyang natural barrages na it absorbs rainfall, rainwater, ganyan. And it's that hindi pala lahat aware sa ganyang benefit ng mangroves. And kapag nawawala kasi ang mangroves sa Philippines especially, nawawalan tayo ng linebackers. Alam niyo yun? Kasi, and pag wala na nito, nag-weaken lalo yung soil holding the water. So, mas prone tayo for flooding, lalo sa urban flooding. Paano pa kaya kung tayo na nasa urban areas na gano'n na yung epekto? Paano pa yung nasa coastal areas?
Tama ka dyan, Tek. Correct! Okay. So, since topic na nga natin yung typhoons, ang mga typhoons kasi is nagkakause ng floods.
Kasi there's this thing we call na water cycle, diba? So, lahat ng water that goes out, it also goes in, it also goes back. So, yung flood water, syempre hindi yan malinis. Sino ba naman gusto uminom ng flood water?
Super madumi.
Wow.
So, it carries, syempre, sediments,
Yes.
pollutants. So, when these go into our drains and goes back to us, sabi nga nila, what comes around goes back around. So, babalik at babalik sa atin. So, water security also gets affected. So, yung mga systemic natin na water drainage and yung pumapasok na water, hindi na siya malinis. So, over time, pag naiipon yung ganyan, mas ipon din yung pollutants. So, pati yung oxygen level actually affected din siya. So, it's a chain reaction of things.
Nice answer talaga, ate. Like, grabe, pang Miss Universe. Next year, guys, mapapanood na natin si ate.
Miss
Nasa TV
Philippines!
na. Kakat ka muna, ate. Go.
Go.
Tapos
Go.
inom tayo water kasi ano pag-usapan natin, water pollution, di ba?
I believe it's both talaga. Well, it is one of the main reasons. Syempre, yung pagdadagdag natin ng import waste. Madagdag siya sa scale na mas marami, ganyan. But also, it's also us Filipinos kasi we cannot claim that we are perfect when it comes to waste degradation and segregation. Especially from society's microcosms, which is the schools, hindi na evident yung perfect na waste segregation. So I think that when I say it's both, it also goes to the policy makers natin na sila yung nagpapa-implement na and nag-claim na, okay, we can import waste, fully knowing that we cannot handle it enough. So, I think it's collective action, not just individual perfection.
Yes! Yes!
Okay,
Pang-universe
grabe.
talaga, guys.
Mukbang lang
Sister,
tayo.
parang mas nauna yung sagot. Mukbang muna tayo, sister.
totoo.
Diba? So, like, parang nakakatatlong subo pa lang tayo eh. Sige po.
I think
So,
bright ang future ng NU with students like you guys and also syempre the graduating batch of 2020.
wow! Would you recommend NU sa other students?
Oo naman.
Kaya guys, lahat na ng tao manonood dito, mag-NU na.
NU is Ortigas.
Yeah, nag-promote pa siya.
Dapat pang science lang, nag-promote na ng NU.
Ambassador.
Yes. Okay, yeah. Last question. Are you ready?
Okay. And for our last, final question, what is your one message to the world that you hope listeners will remember from today's podcast? And why is it important to you?
I believe I mentioned na already this quote earlier, but I want the viewers and the readers or whatsoever from this podcast think about one thing, and that's what goes around comes back around. I hope that people realize that from this podcast, syempre, that whatever we put out into the ecosystem and the environment will also be bounced back to us. So lahat naman ng ginagawa natin for the environment, sa atin din ang balik nun, you know? Because why can't we protect Mother Nature the way she protects us all?
Yes.
Because nature has always protected us, but the question is, to the viewers, the question is, why did we stop protecting it?
Oh my gosh, guys, grabe. Ang bongga talaga ng sagot ni Ate Trixie.
Aww. Thank you so much, Ate, for your wonderful insights. Personally, ako marami talaga akong gustong tanungin eh. Pero marami ako natutunan kay Ate. And then, mas nag-open yung mind ko about the topic, di ba?
And yun nga, lagi nating tatandaan, guys, na lagi nating isi-save si Mother Nature kasi siya na lang meron tayo.
So yes, again, ate, thank you so much.
Ate.
Pero ayun, before we end, and we would love to give you this certificate of appreciation for being a guest of our
Thank you po.
podcast. Thank you
Grabe si
po.
Ate Beauty and
So,
Brains.
this certificate for sincere appreciation of your valuable participation as a guest speaker on EatChat Science with a topic about Philippine ecosystems and climate change. Your contribution and insights are gratefully acknowledged. Aww.
Thank you so
And then,
much,
I hope you appreciate our token of appreciation. Thank you so much, Bobby. Kasi despite your busy schedule as a grade 12, may immersion kayo, may research kayo, still nag-make time pa rin po.
Oo naman.
Thank you po.
Buti na lang
Ay,
kayo
nakaya
kayo
po.
po.
Totoo. Akala ko na kaya.
Next time, guys!
Oh my gosh. Again, I am Freiza Zafra.
And I am Samantha Opaño, and here our special guest.
I'm Trixie Valdez, your Miss STEM 2025, and this has been EatChat Science to more scientific discoveries and powerful realizations.
Yay!